Hi, little Jets. It's Friday, and it's Miss Dearie here for another edition of Miss Dearie from a Distance. And today we are going to be working with the letter E. Today is our fifth day, and E is the fifth letter. And I have my notes right here on the side of me. So when you see me looking that way, that's why I'm doing that. And today's words are going to be eagles, elephants, eyes, earth, and eggs. So we have a lot to learn about today in this Dearie from a Distance, our 5 fun letter words and 5 fun facts about each of those words. So we are going to get started with eagles. So the national bird is the bald eagle. They have 60 different kinds of eagles. The wingspan of an eagle is 7.5 feet wide. That's wider than your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa is tall. And eagles only weigh about 9 pounds. So they're very, very, very light, but their wings are really long. And eagles are really good swimmers. So not only can they do a great job of flying in the sky, but they're excellent swimmers as well. Our next word is elephants. Elephants are the world's largest land animals. The African elephant has ears that are shaped like Africa. And they're big ears and they're shaped just like the continent of Africa. Asian elephants have smaller ears, and their ears are shaped like the country of India. So those are some interesting facts about elephants' ears. Elephants eat 12 to 18 hours per day. That's a lot of eating. That's probably more time that they spend eating than you guys spend awake each day for some of you. So they like to eat a lot. And a baby elephant is called a calf. So now we're going to talk about eyes. We all have big, beautiful, pretty eyes, and we're going to learn about those eyes of ours. So the black part of your eye is called your pupil. So everybody has that black part in the center of their eye, and that's called the pupil. The colorful part of your eye is called the iris. And the most popular color in terms of the most people on earth whose eyes are which color, number 1 is brown, like Miss Dearie. I have brown eyes. My irises are brown. Some people have blue eyes, some people have green eyes. My children and my husband all have blue eyes. And then there's Miss Dearie with her brown eyes. People who are nearsighted, if you're nearsighted, that means you have trouble seeing things that are far away. And people who are farsighted have trouble seeing things close up. So I think that those are our facts today about eyes. Those are our eye facts. And now we're moving on to Earth. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has water as a solid, a liquid, and a gas in all of those states of matter. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. When you look at a map of Earth, or if you look at a globe of Earth, you'll sometimes see there's a line in the middle. It's kind of like Earth has a waistband or a belt on, and that is called the equator. It separates Earth into 2 parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The coldest place on Earth is Antarctica, and they have had recorded temperatures of 128 degrees below zero. That's very, very cold. North America, where we live in America, is one of the continents on Earth. And when we talked about that equator, the waistband that's on maps and globes, North America is in the northern hemisphere. Earth is also divided into meridians, and we're also in the western hemisphere. So we've got meridians, we've got hemispheres. You guys will learn about all of that when you get a little bit older. But in pre-K through 1st grade, We don't need to know all of those big terms, but just in case you want to impress people with your knowledge, you can share with them some of those facts. Our fifth and final E words for today are eggs. And we're going to name 5 animals that lay eggs. Let's see if you can start thinking of some on your own. See if these are some of the ones that I happen to say. So I made a list of my favorite 5 animals that lay eggs, and I have number 1, birds. Number 2, crabs. Number 3, shrimp. Those are things we like to eat here in Louisiana, right? Number 4, snakes. I don't like to eat snakes. And then number 5, look behind me. I just realized that's up there. Fish. I'm sitting in my husband's office where he has these pictures of fish from the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries, and they lay eggs. And they're right behind me. So that actually worked out well for us today. You guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. We will see you again on Monday with letter F. And we will have more Miss Dearie from a distance coming to you next week. I hope that you little jets are doing great. If ever you need to get in touch with me, or parents, if you need to get in touch with me, please remember you can reach out and call or email me. And I'm here. If you need me, this is what I'm here for. So please don't hesitate to reach out. You guys have a great weekend. Go, little jets. Have some fun.